This is exciting. I am about to announce the webinar for the Soul System, and that means I have to update my links everywhere. Right now, all my links have marketingsoulsystem.com, so I thought, let me come here and let me see what looks better, what I want to promote. So this says entrepreneurs and business owners, but I realize that entrepreneurs is on two different lines, so I may have to shrink this because I think this is too big. So I always usually just do this on my desktop. So, but that's why quality assurance and getting other people to look at the different websites from different phones, different tablets, um, even an email. Just check it how it looks everywhere. That testing is important because this looked as good as it looked really good on my computer. So yeah, everything important should be all this, all this. It's too big. It's too big. And plus, I'm 50, so my eyes. Who knows? Maybe old. Maybe my target market would actually appreciate this. Lead generation that generates free traffic and leads. Yes, I think traffic and leads on autopilot that needs to like stand out. That should be bolded a little bit. Increases your business power. Well, 12 weeks or 100 days and doubles your income in 20 years. Okay, right. Right. So I think what I need to do at the beginning of this is I need to have Tony's video right here. I found it today. There's a new way to generate. Okay, so I like this. This is a good font size. There's a new way to generate qualities that everyone's raving about, and it doesn't cost a dime. Woo! Introduce the new tool system. Okay, so there's a typo there. There's a period missing by the L. Dear friend, I hope you're doing awesome. So you find yourself scratching your head thinking, man, how Yep. Okay. Yeah, so I think every single one of these paragraphs needs to have something in bold. This gets a little monotonous, and I was also thinking about Mr. Todd Brown and the headings and stuff that they have. So I'm missing that, even though this is a letter. I forgot all of those elements. Okay, so I'll have to go back in and add those in time, but right now, like, what we just needed to do was get it done, and now it's done. So yeah, can this go any brighter? No, that's as bright as you can go. Okay, nice. Yay! Hanging with the legends, aw, yeah. Stop everything you're doing, my friend. There's a new strategic and structured way to generate high quality information. Okay, whether you're new to business or overseas, anyone can use me simple. Okay, boo boo there. Anyone can use my simple strategic lead generation system that tracks quality leads without spending much time. So you have to, right? Learn first. What works, not words. Jesus, what works. That's what happens when you work at 2 o'clock in the morning. That's what QA is for. Then spend money on ads afterwards and wisely. I don't like that sentence. I don't like that sentence. That needs to be changed. Okay, but that's basically what they're saying the soul system looks like. These are the different steps, and I think that should be made clear. That doesn't really, it's like, what's this image? It should say, these are the steps of the soul system and the sequence in which you need to do them. Start with video and you end with paid ads. Okay, so video, step 1, step 5, step 9. Why is it in this order? Okay, so that's interesting. I know it doesn't show up like that on a PC. Okay, so that's like hilarious that that's out of order. But the program is talking about doing them in order. Ha! It's funny. Watch our soul system lead gen webinar. Okay, what happens when I click there? Nothing. It takes me back to the top. That's not what I want. See, this is what I'm talking about. All this kind of testing and shit. I want to just go and post stuff, but you can't do that. Oh, I think I need more pictures because I saw Sean O'Connell stuff, and like this doesn't even show up right. It says Nakimbe Babe and Todd Brown, but it's showing up under the Perry Marshall thing. So, yeah, I'm gonna have to tell my tech guy to fix these weird things. Ask my tech guy to do it. Okay, competitive analysis, content distribution. So another thing, these show up as squares on the PC and the tablet, and the thing, but here I guess when I looked at this as the preview, I just looked at whatever it was I was working on at the time in the preview, and I didn't look at everything. Okay, watch our soul. So this should say something more like, watch our soul system lead generation webinar. Why? To learn more what the soul system is about. Watch our soul system lead generation to learn more. Not just what it's about, who cares? What it's about and how it can help you grow your business and get more leads. Watch our soul system. I don't want to say all that. I like just the quick little box. Anyway, whatever. Okay. Here we go. So again, this picture is missing. So there we go. How to get call it? Strategic, organic. What? Leads on demand is missing. So something's wrong with the size of that picture. Here's the deal. Statistics show the marketers. Yeah. Okay, come on. You were automated before. Do it again. Okay. So again, these pictures look really weird on the phone. What happens when I click more, man? Like, what? None of these links are working. Okay. I want, like, some sound. Like, aren't I the one that talked about having a video? Oh, I do. I have a video right at the top. Okay, that's good. Yeah, but right about now, I need a testimonial. I'm getting bored of listening to all this shit. Okay, so I understand what it's about. Okay, yeah, I get it. Okay, that's missing. Oh, come on. I want these things to work. I'm so crazy. Marketing so... Okay. I like it, but it's not in order. And maybe instead of like when we click it, it's graphic design, when we click it, maybe it should have like the number. Like step 1. I mean, it says step 4, but maybe just seeing the number behind it would be something cool for us to fix on the website later on. Yeah, leads on demand is missing in this. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I like. I like that. I love that. That's my favorite part. Obstacles to lead generation success. I think there should be some red in there, that title. Maybe lead generation or lead success, or just the word success should be red. Again, something in that paragraph should be bolded. This image here with vision success strategy is not rendering properly. I noticed that when I click more, some of these have ... some of them have nothing. I guess I wanted to see which one looked better, or if anybody would notice. If I click on read more, it just goes back to the top. That's not what's supposed to happen. I think it should probably go to our webinar registration page. Everything should be about enrolling people in the webinar. Yeah, so I'm saying, okay, so we got some quotes, some quotes, some quotes, some quotes. Nice, nice, nice. Okay, that's what I'm saying. Right about here, I want a testimonial. I want a video testimonial here, like from Cindy or Carlene. And this, how can we help you? How can we help you? This will, like, how can we help you? This will lead your assistant. No, so again here, how can we help you grow and generate leads to grow your business, to scale your business? There you go. Discover the secret to the soul system. Download your free book, ebook. There should be a hyphen there. Audio now. Again, I don't know. Some of these now available online. Some of them are capped. New templates. Some of them are not capped. Like that needs to be. It needs to be consistent. Also, yeah, we got to get our admin picture here. I want that to be of Jonathan, his handsome face in a green shirt. So cute. Podcast, listen to the intro. Yeah, cool. Download the playbook. The playbook isn't up yet. We have a few versions. I have to go through them. Got questions. We've got answers. Cool. I like this. Okay, put your name, submit. So it's all about lead gen, right? Lead gen, lead gen, lead gen, lead gen, lead gen. Cool. like it. I like it. I like it. Okay, stop. 10 minutes.